Welcome back to the damn Yankee Blacksmith shop. I am coming home from a day of delivering mail, and I got a call from a young blacksmith who needed my opinion, and we talked a little bit. So Kyle, here is your information about the fire pot. We are going to pull into my shop right here. And we're gonna get out and look at a fire pot. Now, you're gonna notice that my fire pots are not nearly as big as what you described to me. Whew. But, all right, now, this is my oldest forge that I made. You can see that it's run by a gear. It doesn't have a whole lot of air, but it doesn't need it to do this. This is about, 9 inches by about 6 inches. Now, the grate, as you can see, it's just a piece of 3/8 inch plate that's been cut. And the tier is right here. As you can see the line, I have a good hand, which is 2 inches between where the air comes up and where it meets the grate. That way, this entire surface can get hot. It gets hotter here, but this whole area, once it's working, this whole area gets done. And you can see that it's less distance to the top of the fire pot. I cut the edges of the angle iron on the side so that when I have a piece, it can lay flat. All right. Now here's a newer forge. It's a lighter weight because that one is a pain to use. And you can see it's the same deal. It's not real deep. You only have 1.5 inches here. Then you can build up your fire over the top and lay your material across. This is a very, very small blower. I suggest you get rid of the hair dryer, and if you want electric power, get a shop vac and reverse the hoses. They're designed to work for a long period of time and not die, whereas a hair dryer is going to die on you relatively quickly. We had a little rain here. All right. That's it for now. Talk to you later.